In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the crown styler when blow drying your hair to achieve salon perfect results. After shampooing and applying your preferred hair products, use the crown styler to brush your hair. Next, simply transform the brush into the perfect clipping tool by gently pulling the handle away from the bristles. Fold the brush in half. Next, attach it to the crown of your head by inserting the handle through the top back layer of your hair. Close the brush around the hair. The bristles should face up. The magnet will secure the brush into its folded position. Once attached to the crown, part and section your hair, giving the hair a slight twist as you tuck each section individually into the bristles. The crown styler holds the top layers out of the way so that you can begin blowing the hair bottom layers first. After you dry the bottom layers, simply remove more hair sections by section as you blow dry. Blow drying from the bottom layers up to the top is key to achieving a nice, sleek look. Once all the sections are dry, remove the crown styler and finish by drying the all-important top back layer and front. In the same way, you can use the crown styler when styling with a flat iron or a curl iron. Finally, no more complicated clips to break or lose. One tool, the crown styler, makes sectioning, clipping, and styling your hair fast, convenient, and easy. But best of all, you'll always look like you just stepped out of the salon. Make every day a great hair day with your crown styler.